If you have seen this light on your Nissan dash, two cars, a star in between, and maybe sometimes the word off underneath, that's your automatic emergency braking system telling you it's disabled. This system is designed to help you avoid collision by automatically braking if it senses you're about to rear-end another car. But when the lights come with an off, it means that the system turned off or is not working properly. In this video, I'll show you 5 different fixes on how to get rid of this light in your dash. So let's get started with the first one. Check your settings. Go into the driver assistant settings on the infotainment screen, or sometimes the screen right in front of you in the cluster. And then make sure that automatic emergency braking, or sometimes they call it forward collision warning, is turned on. Sometimes these settings get switched off accidentally during a system update or by a previous driver, so double check this just to make sure. Then fix number 2 is to clean the front radar sensor. The sensor is usually located in the front grille on the lower side or behind the Nissan emblem, depending which model you have. If it's covered by snow, dirt, or even some car wash wax film, the system may shut off automatically. I know it does on my car during winter when just a bit of snow from the car in front of me covered that radar, even half of it, and it disabled. This is very important, so just take a cloth or a tissue, anything with some liquid, and wipe the sensor, the radar, off. Make sure it's clean. Tip number 3 is to simply restart your car. Sometimes a temporary glitch can happen, so just go ahead, turn off your car, wait a few minutes. You can even go out of the car, lock it, unlock it, and then restart it. This simple step can reset the system and clear minor software bugs that cause a warning to appear in the dash. Number 4, the battery or sensor issue. A low battery, or if you recently jump-start, maybe your battery is weak, can temporarily disable this system and many others. Drive the car for a while. Okay, let this battery recharge. Sometimes the system resets itself once the battery stabilized. Electrical systems in modern cars are very sensitive and may require a short drive cycle to recalibrate and restore full function. If your battery is low on charge and needs to be replaced, definitely this could be the reason why you get this warning in your dash. And finally, for the number 5, if you're still having this problem after trying these 4 tips, it can actually be because a faulty radar or system malfunction. You need a diagnosis scan at a shop or at a dealer to clear the faulty code or replace some parts. Ignoring this warning could disable important safety features, so it's best to address them quickly. If one of these fixes worked for you, please type a comment down below. I'm really curious. Or if you have another way on how to solve this issue, again, type a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.